What's up, everybody, man? I want to make another video. We back at it again. It is July 25th, man. We like day 15, 16 into my journey with Amazon FBA, just making sure we, knocking tasks out, holding ourselves accountable. Tonight, I want to make a quick video regarding Keepa, man. We're going to just talk about Keepa. This time, I'm going to make it quick and short. This video is going to probably be about 7 to 8 minutes. Last video I had with Keepa was probably like an hour long, so this one's gonna be about 6, 7, 8 minutes, kind of giving you a quick, short rundown of what Keepa is. And stick around, man. I want to kind of give you guys one quick jewel to look at when you are looking at products. I'll give you a secret as to how you can kind of differentiate which one is selling when it comes to variations, man. So stick around to the end. But let's go ahead and jump right in. I'm gonna jump into my screen. Show you guys some different graphs and kind of just break everything down to you in a quick, short time. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right. So here we go, man. We are in my screen. If you guys can see right here, I got some random products pulled up that I was taking a look at. So I want to just kind of look at a couple different ones and show you guys some different Keepa charts. Show you how I read it and what I've been learning to do. We can kind of just go from there. So if you take a look at this product right here, it's just a random product I was looking at earlier. It's a Sony BDP S6700. But more importantly, let's kind of scroll down to this screen right here. This is the most important thing we want to look at. So what I'll do is break everything down really quick and fast to kind of make everything make sense to you. So initially, when you see Keepa, we got three charts, three different graphs we're looking at. This top graph is going to let us know basically the sales rank. Sales rank is going to tell you how often a product sells. So if you see this right here, it says sales rank. That's going to be the most important thing when it comes to Keepa. You're going to look at that, and this sales rank is basically going to give me a story about the sales velocity and the frequency of sale of this specific product over a snapshot of time. So you can see we got 3 months, a month, a week, a day, a year, and all time, right? What is sales rank? Sales rank basically is telling you how often a product sells on a daily basis or over a month period of time. For example, in electronics, let's just go from 0 to 100,000. In electronics, I'm speaking about electronics because this product that I'm talking about is an electronic item. So the lower you see this sales rank, the lower you see it as close to 0 as possible. And how can you tell when it's close to 0? If you look on that right hand side, it's going to give you a sales rank, I guess you can say range. Number 1,000s, obviously that's going to be the lower the sales rank. So you can see it's 1,000 here, 1,000, 1,500 there. That's the lower it is, the more frequent that thing is selling. The higher it is, the less frequent it is selling. Now, of course, it is all relative to each category, but like I said, for the sake of this video, we are just strictly in electronics. So the closer to 0 we get, the more frequent it sells. The further away from 0 we get when it comes to sales rank, the less frequent it'll sell. Okay, so that's the first thing. We got sales rank. Secondly, we have Amazon new and used, right? When we looking to sell on Amazon, these are going to be the main 4 categories we're going to be looking at: Amazon, new, used, and sales rank. Here we got the new sales rank. This is going to kind of let me know the lowest offer, not even FBA, but just the lowest new offer we have when it comes to the buy box. Not the buy box, I'm sorry, the lowest new offer we have when it comes to just what's being offered. So you can see right now the lowest new offer right now is $98. We can cross-reference that if we click in here to different offers and we go ahead and filter this to just new. It'll show us the $98 is the lowest offer. That is not including FBA. That is just telling us the lowest offer. Same thing here when it comes to use. It's telling us at this snapshot in time which offer is the lowest. So right here you can see right now currently we should have $80 should be the lowest used offer. Of course, like I said again, this does not include FBA. This is just strictly just used with the lowest items. So you can see right there $80 is the lowest offer we have right now. And just to break this down again in quick terms, when it comes to this top box, on the bottom, we're going to have the date. So you can see over a 3-month period of time from May 1st to July, That's on that bottom. Right on the right hand side is going to pop up sales rank number. So for example, the closer to the bottom you get, the closer the number to zero, I'm sorry, the more frequent it sells. The higher that number is, the less frequent it sells. We can put that in place here. Sales rank, right, closer to 1,000, right there is letting me know this thing sells. The higher up it goes, the less frequent it'll sell, right? Then you got new and used. So I'm putting this all together. So that new is going to tell us the lowest new offer. This used is going to show us the lowest used offer, okay? Amazon here is going to, when it's highlighted yellow, that is letting you know Amazon has been on the listing. So here we go here. From June 28th to now, Amazon has been on this listing. List price, I rarely ever use list price, so I'm not going to go too far into depth when it comes to that. The next most important thing we have is the buy box, right? That buy box tab is line, is going to show us what price is capturing the buy box. Now, typically when it comes to buy box, especially on a lot of items, majority of items, buy box is only going to come from new offers, okay? Now, of course, you have different scenarios for used, but right now, the buy box is only going to come from new offers. I'm sorry. So $98 right now is what's capturing the buy box, and that's what's most important. That buy box is going to show us this right here. That button when you just go to Amazon and you click buy now, that's the buy box, which is this big button right here that says buy new. So we can see right now, Amazon is currently on the listing. The lowest new offer we have, which is that light blue to the left of my cursor, is 98, and Amazon's on the listing to right of my cursor for 98. Amazon is capturing the buy box right now for $98, although there is someone offering 98 along with them. The second box right here is going to show us sales rank, which is, like I said, tells you the snapshot as far as how frequent the item is selling. So if we go here right now, it's going to categorize the one on the top is always going to be the main category, which is electronics. So this is another chart that tells me, like I said before, the lower the sales rank, the lower that number is, the more frequent it sells. So you can see here, from July 1st to now, it's been ranging from 2,600 to about, let's take a look, 1,500. So that thing is, in electronics, we have about 100,000 items. So out of 100,000 items, it's been hovering around. Well, actually, we have way more than 100,000 items, but in the top 1%, which is kind of telling us how often an item sells, this thing's been hovering around 2,600 to 1,500, which is letting us know that it's flying off the shelf. Okay, so that's when it comes to sales rank, when it comes to what it ranks in its category. So its rank in electronics category right now is going to be roughly 2,100, letting us know it sells a lot. That third box here is going to be telling us in time how many offers, this is the offer count box, how many offers we have. So you hear it says new offer count. You can see right here, it goes from 4 offers to 5 offers, and this is just strictly new offers. 4, 5, 6, down to 5, up to 6. So all this is coming together. It's telling me right here how many new offers are on the listing. Secondly, we have used offer count, which you can see there's a high, not a high, but a big difference between the new offer count, which is 4, and then the frequency of sellers on the used side, which ranges from 18 to 14, down to 10, 9, down to 9 again, and back up to 13. And we can kind of correlate that with this bottom box with the top box, supply and demand. The lower the offer count, of course, the higher the sales price is going to be. So, which is, you can see this new price before Amazon came on that listing. That new price was ranging from 119 to the lowest new price, was 109 and 119 because Amazon wasn't on the listing. So new sellers could definitely capitalize on making sales. On the flip side, that black line, which is a used sellers, you're going to be able to see that as those offer counts fluctuate, of course, the more sellers there are, the more competition you have fighting for a sale. Hence, you see the fluctuation in that black line. That black line, once again, is the used offer count. The lowest, not the used offer count, lowest used offer. So as we have a fluctuation from 14 to 9 sellers, they are all fighting for that sale, which is why that lowest used offers is going to change a little bit because they're trying to fight for the sale. That's how we put that whole formulation together, right? That's the most important 3 things. Sales rank, lowest used price, lowest new price is Amazon on my listing. Then okay, if that's the case, what is the category I'm selling in? In this instance, it's electronics. Below that, it's subcategory. So like I said, it ranks the main category up top, and below it goes to subcategories. The subcategory is Blu-ray disc players. So you're able to see, hey, this is what it looks like when it comes to subcategories. It's 3,000 here. It's 3,500 in electronics, but it's number 12 in Blu-ray disc players, right? Then we have, at this time, we had 16 used offers and only 6 new offers. And you can probably, at this time, you probably had a fluctuation in price and things like that. But that's Keepa in a snapshot, guys. And I want to kind of give you guys another gem, man, when you're looking at Keepa. When it comes to variations, I want to kind of give you guys an idea. So let's just type in, for example, Keurig. I know Keurig is a big coffee maker that has a lot of variations on their listings. So if we go here and we're looking at variation listings, right? What do I mean by variation listings? I mean, when you look at a listing like this and you see that there's 3 different variations of what you can buy. On this same listing, you can buy a black one, you can buy a red one, and scarlet red, you can also buy a white one. So when you are sourcing and you see items like this, one trick you can do, if you go into this Keepa tab, you see over here it says variations. This tab right here will show us which variation ranks, how those different variations rank amongst each other. How can we tell which one is in more demand than the other? So just to refresh, we come here, we'll see that this thing has 3 different variations. Okay, which one should I focus on sourcing? I will then scroll down, go to the variations tab in Keepa, and then what I will do from that point is look at the ratings, okay? I will sort this ratings from highest to lowest. In this instance, we can see that the black, here you go right here, the black item, which is the black Keurig, has 40,000 ratings, which telling me that it has 40,000, reviews, if you want to say. So that lets me know the demand is on that black item. The second one in demand is the white Keurig. It has 4,400 reviews. It's a big variation from 40,000 to 4,400, but it allows you to see which one you should be focusing on, right? So, for example, some people may sell, I don't know, clothing. If we look at, I say, a Nike T-shirt, I don't know. If we go in here and we type in Nike T-shirt, we can go here. Let's just click a random one. This right here, it says 22 colors and patterns. So we click here and look at all these shirts, right? If you're looking to source something, of course you can't sell Nike, but just for example purposes, which item should I focus on trying to source? I don't know. It's so many shirts. I don't know which one to sell. I will scroll down into the variations tab and I will come down here and I would sort this ratings from highest to lowest, right? Here we go. Now I know that this men's Nike sportswear t-shirt, this one right here, size medium, right? Here it is right here. Look at that description. Men's Nike Sportswear Club t-shirt. Nike shirt for men with classic fit, black, white, medium. So that classic fit, black, white, medium has 735 reviews. Lets me know that I need to be focusing on this right here. I need to be buying this item right here, and I need to be buying a medium. That is what I need to focus on sourcing because that has the most reviews. And that's just a quick gem, man, when it comes to Keepa. I want to make this video really quick, just a quick synopsis on how you can just get a quick rundown and kind of give you guys one quick gem. So we went over the sales rank, we went over lowest offer count, new counts, list price, things like that. Variations, man, just kind of help you guys put everything together. If you guys have any more questions when it comes to Keepa, definitely let me know. Shoot me a question. If you're new to my channel, man, definitely take a look at the other videos I have up when it comes to my channel. I kind of went over a Keepa in depth, man, on one of my I think it's my 3rd video. I went in depth as far as what Keepa looks like, all the different tools and gadgets when it comes to Keepa, just kind of going through all the intertwined workings of Keepa, man. So I wanted to kind of give you guys a quick gem, quick rundown. Welcome to my channel. If you don't know who I am, man, my name is Charles. I'm new to the Amazon FBA space. Well, not new, but relatively new. Holding myself accountable, man, trying to make sure this thing works over the next 6 months to a year, holding myself accountable an hour a day take a look at my other videos. I got some Keepa videos up, got some product sourcing videos up. If you guys got any questions or concerns, man, let me know. Leave a comment. And I definitely look forward to hearing from you guys and seeing you guys on my journey. Peace.